I went from knowing almost no French to speaking at a B2 level. It wasn't because of classes or some magic app. It came from 5 simple things that I did almost every day. If you're a beginner, you can steal this exact system. Number 1, pick a movie or show that you already know in English and watch that in French with the French subtitles. For example, I love Melissa McCarthy movies, so I started there, and it's pretty hilarious and surprisingly effective for learning French phrases. The more you watch, the more your brain will link English phrases to French phrases and words. If you need some help incorporating some of this into your daily routine, feel free to check out my free French Essentials bundle using the link in the description below. Tip number 2 is even easier. You can start doing it while eating breakfast. Watch children's shows in French. For example, there are shows like Caillou where the speech is pretty slow and they use basic vocabulary. So you can use that as a base to start your listening practice. When I wanted easy listening practice, Caillou was one of my favorite shows to watch. Tip number 3 is a little weird, but that's where your real speaking practice starts. Narrate your day in French using voice notes on your phone. So another optional thing you can do is to talk to ChatGPT or another AI assistant to be able to just have a conversation and get real-time feedback. I started doing this because I didn't have French friends nearby, and it helped me actually form sentences instead of just memorizing words. Tip number 4 is the trick my French professor swore by. It's all about immersion. Join a French club or find some classmates that you can speak with. And when you do speak with them, only speak in French. My French professor said that she did this while at work because she didn't have that many opportunities to practice her French and use it outside the classroom. The more you immerse yourself, the more confident you'll be. Tip number 5 is something you can do alone, but it's one of the most powerful habits for fluency. Instead of thinking in English, try thinking in French. For example, if you're thinking about your daily routine, like I have to do laundry, try thinking using those same sentences in French. This works because you don't need to rely on anybody. You can practice it internally. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video.